Under the COVID-19 pandemic, hundreds of millions of children around the world and their parents are wondering when schools will reopen. Closed schools not only threaten their education, being out of school can lead to poor health, mental and physical. For children who rely on school for their only meal, it can mean going hungry. And it can lead to violence, abuse, and exploitation. Child labor, teenage pregnancy, and even child marriage. We also know that the longer children stay out of school, the less likely they are to return. Governments around the world are faced with a tough decision to make. UNICEF joined with our partners in UNESCO, WFP, and the World Bank to issue new guidelines on school reopenings. We call on national authorities to work together to balance children's best interests with the overall public health considerations, from policy reforms and financing requirements to ensure that every child is learning, to guidelines for safe school operations that reduce disease transmission, including providing soap and clean water, and promoting healthy behaviors like hand washing and physical distancing, to using innovative digital technology to deliver education to children in any context, to expanding access to the most marginalized groups to ensure that education is truly accessible to every child, no matter who they are or where they live. The COVID-19 crisis must not come at the expense of children's education. Let's explore every avenue to keep children learning, growing, and developing. And when schools do reopen, let's make sure they do so safely.